brother Kimunya and the family, our friends, the clergy, fellow mourners. I noticed the program was precise. You're supposed to have left this place by 12:15. And I want to respect that. I know that both Lucy and Amos are sticklers for time. I worked with them, and Mzee Kibaki. And I know the wishes you have for your beloved wife. I have absolutely no intention of making any further comment other than to say we stand with you. At times like this, somebody has just to show up. I just showed up. I was away and I learned of what happened. And I said I must show up. Even as we go to mourn with others who are bereaved, let us stay together as a nation, pray for each other. Ndugu Raila, tafadhali kuja tu useme pole.